realize that the advent of the video assistant referee, VAR, is bringing the game of football into disrepute. The frequency with which VAR decisions are controversial or downright wrong. The amount of admissions of mistakes and apologies being given by referees, plus the annoying delays in taking those decisions. I am now thinking that football was better and less controversial before VAR than it is with VAR. The additional percentage of correct decisions taken because of VAR are being outweighed by the controversy, the mistakes, and the negative fallout, and the perception of incompetence and or corruption is increasing. Think about it. Before the use of VAR, players, fans, coaches, etc. basically came to accept that the referee's decision is final. Most times we never knew definitively that close decisions were either right or wrong. We just work with the referees. Now with VAR, slow motion replays and multiple camera angles are confirming many VAR decisions are indeed wrong. I think FIFA should order a complete and comprehensive review of VAR.